Hey, I have something to tell you. I found a way of making your hair fuller using your own hair and keeping it safe and growing. Check this out.
The solution now is the microstrand invention. One human hair at a time is fed onto these microstrands that becomes this, the finished product. When these are custom made and blended in between your own hair, they disappear. You're using all of your existing hair, and all of your hair is staying safe and healthy.
And you can easily apply it yourself. Okay? Or you can give it to any hairdresser to apply it for you. And this is full-time hair, sweetie. Full-time hair. You can sleep, you can shower, you can swim, you can do anything once the hair has been applied.
The way to find out more detail is to schedule a free video demo. A free video demo will be where we can see you and you can see us, and we'll be able to give you options on how you can make your hair fuller while keeping it safe and healthy.
I used to put powder in my hair, fibers. I used to part it certain ways, comb it certain ways, and now it's overwhelming how beautiful I feel that I don't have to think about those things anymore. I could just style and go.